A very good morning, dear students. Welcome to e-learning classes of Sacred Hearts. Dear students, in our previous lecture of business studies, we have discussed about the itinerant retailers. That means the retailers who are not having a specific place to sell out. And we have also discussed about the different types of itinerants, in which we have discussed about the hawkers and paddlers. We have discussed about the periodic market traders, street traders, and cheap jacks. Now, in our 42nd lecture, we are going to discuss about the fixed shop retailers and the different types of it. Let us start one by one. Very first, we are going to discuss about the introduction of fixed shop retailers. So, these are the retailers who are having a fixed place to sell out their goods. ऐसे रिटेल स्टोर्स, ऐसे रिटेल शॉप्स जिनकी एक पर्टिकुलर क्या है, फिक्स्ड प्लेस है, उनको हम लोग बोलते हैं फिक्स्ड शॉप रिटेलर्स. दीज रिटेलर्स हैव शॉप्स इन द मार्केट प्लेस. इनकी शॉप या तो मार्केट प्लेसेस पे होती हैं या फिर रेसिडेंशियल लोकेलिटीज़ में. दे डू नॉट मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू द अनदर प्लेस इन द सर्च ऑफ कस्टमर. Obvious सी बात है, when they are having a fixed place, so they cannot move from one particular place to the another particular place for the search of customer. In spite, customer used to search about the products in these type of shops. That means customer used to come to these shops for the purchase of the goods or for hiring of the services. So it is about the fixed shop retailers. Now, if we talk about further about the fixed shop retailers, then it can be classified into further two categories. The very first one is the small scale fixed retail shops, and the second one is the large scale fixed retail shops. Let us discuss them one by one. Initially, the small scale fixed retail shops. So these are the most common form of retailers. These shops are found in every corner of most cities. ये हमारी कंट्री में या किसी भी सिटी में बहुत कॉमनली क्या होते हैं, प्रोवाइडेड होते हैं, अवेलेबल होते हैं. They are mostly situated in the localities to fulfill the needs of the people residing in the local area. हर पर्टिकुलर एरिया में ऐसी शॉप्स क्या होती हैं, स्टैब्लिश होती हैं, जो कि उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में रहने वाले लोगों की नीड्स को फुलफिल करने में क्या करती हैं, हेल्प करती हैं. Small scale fixed retail shops are of different types. Now there are also further classification of the small scale fixed retail shops. Let us discuss them. The very first one is the general store, and I think it is one of the very common type of retail store. Just see, general store are small shops located in the residential areas. Generally the shops we used to see in nearby our home, है ना, हमारे एरिया के आसपास जो हम लोग शॉप्स देखते हैं वो कौन सी होती हैं, जनरल स्टोर्स होते हैं. Now, just let us discuss about the features of the general store, and it will more clarify its concept. The very first, these stores deal in items of daily use like groceries, confectionery, stationery and soft drink etc. जनरली जो गुड्स में जिनमें डील करते हैं वो हमारे क्या होते हैं, डेली यूज गुड्स होते हैं. सेकेंड, दे हैव अ लार्ज वैरायटी ऑफ ईच लाइन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. ईच लाइन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट की इनके पास क्या होती है, डिफरेंट वैरायटी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव टेकन वन लाइन that is about the confectionery, that is about the biscuits. So they are having a lot of types of biscuits, lot of variety of the biscuits within them. Next, they provide free home delivery, credit facility and other services to their regular customer. And it is not very compulsory, but it is optional. And different type of general stores used to provide the different type of facilities to the customers as per their bonding and as per the requirement. And these services can be the free home delivery of the goods, credit facility, that means you purchase throughout the month and at the end of the month you can make the payment, and the other facilities. Next, they create personal relationship with the customers and keep them happy and satisfied. Whenever we used to visit these shops, they don't only interact in concern of the buying and selling. Even they used to just know about our about our health status, about the things that are going on in our life. So they used to create an informal interaction with the customers as well, and this makes the customer happy and satisfied. And the next one, the general stores located in the posh areas also keep popular brands of the product. Obviously, the general stores that are located nearby us, they used to keep a variety of goods that are branded. For example, the branded soap, for example, the branded biscuit, for example, the branded namkeen and all. So this is all about the general store. Now we are going to discuss about the second part of the small scale fixed retail shop, that is, I just initially see the example. It is a general store. It is this how it looks like. Now everyone will come to recall about the general stores that are located nearby our homes. सब कुछ वहाँ पे मिलता है, बिस्किट, चिप्स, ठीक है, आपको वहाँ पे वीट मिल जाएगा, पल्सेस मिल जाएंगी, राइस मिल जाएगा, एंड ऑल द स्टफ यू कैन गेट ओवर देयर. Now, the second type, that is the specialty store. See, single line stores are small shops which deal with one line of product. जो specialty stores होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, one line of product में deal करते हैं. For example, sweet shop. ठीक है, let us discuss about the features. The very first, these stores deal with one line of product. For example, garments line, stationery line, textiles, medicines, and shoes, etc. Most of time they used to deal in one line of product, and it one line of product, it can be the stationery, it can be the textiles, it can be the shoes, it can be the medicine, etc. Second, these stores deal in a variety of goods in that line of product. They used to deal in the one line of product, but in that one line of product they used to maintain a huge amount of variety. For example, stores dealing in garments have ladies garments, children garment, gents garment, and garments for all size and brands. है ना. एग्जाम्पल के लिए एक शॉप है जो कि क्या करती है, क्लोथ्स में डील करती है, एंड इट इज़ मेंटेनिंग द डिफरेंट वैरायटी ऑफ क्लोथ्स. लेडीज़ के क्लोथ्स वहाँ पे आपको मिल रहे हैं, मेंस के क्लोथ्स मिल रहे हैं, आपको जो बच्चे हैं, जो किड्स हैं, उनके आपको क्लोथ्स मिल रहे हैं, डिफरेंट साइज मिल रहे हैं, डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स आपको अवेलेबल हो रहे हैं. ठीक है. Next, they are generally situated in the marketplaces. Now they are not generally they are not located in the residential area, but these are located in the market areas. Next, they provide customer services which vary from store to store depending upon the type of product. They used to provide the different type of services, and these type of services depend upon the variety of or the quality of product on which they are dealing. And the last one, they generally cater to the requirement of a particular category of customer. ठीक है, ये जनरली क्या करते हैं, एक कस्टमर लाइन में क्या करते हैं बेटा, डील करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द स्वीट शॉप, फॉर एग्जाम्पल द कॉन्फेक्शनरी. अब आप यहाँ पे देखिए, दे आर डीलिंग इन द कॉन्फेक्शनरी बट अ लार्ज वराइटी ओवर हेयर. So this is all about today. God bless you all. What we have discussed, we have discussed about the fixed retail shops. Thereafter, in that we have discussed its types: small scale fixed retail shops, general stores, and specialty stores. This is all about today. God bless you all. Lots of love.